Hello everyone. Happy Valentine's everyone. To all my sisikoy, happy Valentine's to all. Especially to those always supporting my channel and my simple YouTube videos. Happy Valentine's to all of you guys. And shout out to those who always supporting me, especially to all my sisikoy Laren Director, sisikoy Nana Hani YTC, sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii, sisikoy Timbat Batis Nuti, sisikoy El de Los Santos Mix Vlog, and Aunt Onyo all the way from Baguio City, Baguio Blessed Day, and to all of you guys, to all my friends here in my YouTube channel, always supporting me. Please support each other, and happy Valentine's. So I don't have a date, guys, so I wear white with the pink, meaning white is pure hearts. I don't have a Valentine's date. I'm very much single, guys, and I would like to greet happy Valentine's sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Chard. I love you, anak. Happy Valentine's, bunso. And to my sister in Kuwait, Juliet and Vlad. To all my whole family, happy Valentine's. Relatives, friends, my sisikoys, happy Valentine's to all. At sana ayoko nang may ka-Valentine's kasi gusto ko lang maging single kasi wala lang, puro naman babaero at saka may mga asawa, hindi naman pwede. So mag-focus na lang tayo sa ating pamilya, sa ating mga apos. Si Koy Jobs and si Koy Lauren Director, si Koy Nana Hani YTC, si Koy Timbat Batis Nuti, Baguio Blessed Day, Aunt Onyo, and Kat Fitri channel, terima kasih banyak Sisi, all the way from Indonesia, and Tantran channel, and to all of you guys, I cannot mention already all your name, but from the bottom of my heart, happy Valentine's Day everyone. To all my friends and not my friends, happy Valentine's, and please support each other, no bus here in social media, just friend only, and support each other. And shout out to my old teens, happy Valentine's. Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Consenels TV, Holy Marie, Coach Samuhing TV, Toljor Music Art, Lady Tulipat Tulips, the chemist, the Sisi Pretty One, very supportive also, and Sisikoy Miss Health and Beauty TV, Sisikoy Sowi TV, Kapsat Leonardo Niguerto, Jelay Channel, sino pa hindi ko nabanggit sa ating old team, Sisikoy Beatrice Pen TV, Sisikoy Lauren Direct, of course, and to all my old team, shout out everyone, happy Valentine's. I would like also to thank to those who always visiting my hiding live Yeah, because live is too long, so we cannot show our face because it's too long. So in a video, upload video, we can make only 8 minutes, something like that. So we more comfortable for uploading videos, and maybe if we are in our own country, we can make even whole the day making live. So I hope guys you must understand me, because I'm only working here in their far country. This is not my country, so we have to be careful, and we have to follow the rules. Sometimes also outside, if you're making video now, they are not allowed, especially if there's some authorities. But for me, I'm hiding. Sometimes I quickly making upload video when I'm outside. Click, 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 click. And then before I used to dance outside on the road, but now I'm now afraid because they will catch you if you are dancing on the road now, not like before. So I have to be careful now. Some simple videos. Thank you so much. And again, happy Valentine's to all of you guys, to all my friends, not friends, to all my relatives, and my sons here in Dubai, and sa mga apos, and also to all my pamangkin. Happy Valentine's. Lahat ng aking pamangkin, hindi ko na kayo mabanggit lahat. At sa aking mga apo, si Rhea sa Cagayan, si Leia, aking pamangkin sa Kinalon, Nueva Vizcaya. At sa mga apos namin doon, shout out. Jeruin, Bonnie, mga engineer na aking pamangkin, shout out. Mga Dumelot family, shout out everyone. Again, happy Valentine's. And this is Rose Dumelot, all the way from United Arab Emirates. I love you all guys. May God, Allah, bless us all. Thank you.